Let us check with Sandeep, who also has expertise in cloud computing. We would like to know what kind of challenges will be faced in cloud computing in 2011.
So I think there are three layers of cloud, as we know: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. The most adopted layer today is software as a service, right? So infrastructure as a service, which was a toy maybe 3 years back, has become mainstream. Platform as a service is still a toy, so that's one way to look at the cloud. And in our belief, in my belief, infrastructure as a service is going to move from just purely new gen companies trying to use the cloud to mainstream enterprises trying to use the cloud. Also, from a platform as a service perspective, think of not sort of say new generation languages like Ruby on Rails or more kind of web applications, languages that are used by web applications like Python or PHP, they're getting mainstream, and also .NET and Java becoming mainstream. So that's another trend we see. The other trend is between the public and the private cloud. So, Sebastian mentioned that Amazon is a key player. They're the gorilla, but if you look at industry reports, industry analysts, and if you talk to enterprises, mid to large enterprises, they see that private cloud, which is the constructs of the cloud or the features of the cloud, when brought within the realm or within the firewall of the enterprise, is called private cloud. And that today is in one of the top 3 priorities of the CIO or VP of IT or VP of App Dev. And that is going to become mainstream in the next year to 2 years, in our belief. And you will see existing / new applications moving to that level of that kind of infrastructure. So that's from the infrastructure perspective. Now, the other things that touch this cloud are, of course, mobility. We are moving away from using laptops to tablets and smartphones in every possible way. And you will see mobility as one of the biggest consumers of the cloud infrastructure. So that's one. The second is what we call social, broadly speaking, social, and how consumerization of IT is a key aspect of the social phenomena, and that will interface with cloud in many, many ways that we haven't seen before. And the third is what we call digital, right? How data, which is becoming unstructured and it's available everywhere, whether it is music, video, and all of that is going to impact how cloud is going to be used. So it's going to break many, many silos, and it's actually make lines very blurred between some of these things. So there is, a lot of opportunity for all of us to think through from a careers perspective, from doing startups perspective, and also to use, our lives are going to become very interesting as consumers as to how we use some of these cloud services and applications.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep. By the way, Sandeep is from NIT Allahabad, so he is a fellow NIT